Hello, this short video will show you how the search function works in HHSC version 2. We'll start off with a quick search, which allows you to search on name, social security number, and state ID. Let's start by looking for Betty Rubble. As you can see, as I start typing her name into the search bar, results start popping in. Once you see the person you're looking for, you can arrow down and hit return or click on the name to be brought to their client page. But let's say that you want to look for someone by their state ID instead. I happen to know that the state ID for Barney Rubble is Q121212. Again, as you can see, results start popping in, but the more I type, the more narrowed down they are. Again, you can just click on the name to be brought to the client page. The quick search works a lot of the time, but sometimes the client you're looking for doesn't appear in the list. The list only displays the first 10 matches. There may be many more than that if you're searching on a common name. You may also want to search on something other than name. For these cases, we have an extended search. This extended search brings back all of the clients that match. It will also allow you to search on case number, address, and phone number, in addition to name, state ID, and social security number. To activate the extended search, all you have to do is hit enter after typing in what you want to search on. Let's say that I want to find someone named Barney that lives on Bedrock Street. So I type in Barney Bedrock and hit enter. The system will look through the entire database to find the words Barney and Bedrock in any of the fields you can search on. As you can see, it found someone named Barney Rubble that lives on Bedrock Way. Now let's try a different search. Let's say I'm looking for someone that lives at the address 123 Bedrock. So I type in 123 Bedrock and hit enter. It looks like it found 2 people that match. Again, the system searches the entire database to find the words 123 and Bedrock. Looking at the results, I realize I still don't see who I'm looking for, so I click on Keep Looking to ask the system to do a search on partial matches. This can take up to 30 seconds to come back because it's searching through a lot of data and doing some complicated matching. While it's searching, I'd like to point out that you can see what the system found a match on by looking at the Returned Because field. As you can see, the first 3 people were returned because it matched on address. The second and the last person were returned because it matched on a name and address. You can also see how many matches were found here, and if there are more matches than fit on a page, you can page through them here. Now that the Keep Looking search is done, you can see that 2 more names appeared, one of them being Bart Bedrock Slide. That's because even though our minds were looking for someone that lived on 123 Bedrock, the system looked for matches on all of the fields you can search on. So it found a partial match on his last name, Bedrock Slide, and 123 in the address. Sometimes the list of matches may be long, so I'd like to show you how you can sort your results by clicking on any of the column headers. This may make it easier to find the client you're looking for. You can also enter a filter in the search area which looks in all of the columns for a match. For example, if you only want to find cases where the match was on name, you type in name, and it will limit your results to only cases where there was a match on name. When you see who you're looking for, you simply click on their name to be brought to their client page. Remember, with Quick Search, you can search on name, social security number, and state ID. When you hit enter after typing in what you want to search on, you kick off Extended Search, which adds in the ability to search on case number, address, and phone number. If you still don't see your client after using Quick Search, Extended Search, and the Keep Looking search, you may want to create the client. But before doing so, you should make sure that you've done an exhaustive search for your client so that duplicate clients are not entered into the system. So that's how the search function works in HHSC version 2. Thank you for watching.